This is Module 1 skills test about motion. And wanting to start out with, again, reviewing very quickly the celestial sphere model we saw in the first skills test entitled Position. Notice we got this guy who's standing out in the middle of a field somewhere, and again, he's looking at the celestial sphere. He's looking at this model of the sky, and he can look off in any direction. He can look south, he can look north, he can look west, which is kind of in the foreground, or he can look east, which is kind of in the background. The important thing to recognize is that he can only see stuff above his horizon, which in this case includes star A, as well as star B some of the time, as you learned in the position skills test. The difference here is that we're also adding in another perspective. We're looking over the guy's shoulder as well. So in addition to viewing the celestial spheres from outside, we're also going to pretend that we're inside the celestial sphere, looking over this guy's shoulder, in fact looking north, in which case we can view star A in various positions. There's A, B, C, and D, and question 1 in your quiz is, how do those positions match up with these numbered positions 1, 2, 3, 4 from this perspective? Okay, so you've got to then just sort of match those two up, which is what question 1 asks us to do. Again, there it is. So you just do the drop downs and match positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the corresponding positions in this diagram. Then finally, in question 3, you are presented with a different perspective. Here we are looking at the sky, which also includes the constellations, and we're looking in this case sort of south, but we can see the sun in our southeastern sky. And the question is, 6 hours later, we see the same scene where we're looking south. Now our sun appears to be kind of in our southwestern sky, and two students have a conversation about how the sun should look with respect to the background stars.